How to send delivery as gift on Doordash. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send delivery as a gift in Doordash. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can open up the Doordash application, and once you're logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So the next thing is you need to just check out the product that you have purchased. So you can just select up the product, the food that you want to get delivered, or the products that you want to deliver to your loved one as a gift. So you can just go ahead and enter up your delivery details. After that, click on standard also, and you can also leave it at the door as well. After the editing address has been done, you'll be finding this option in the bottom. You can look up for the option called this send as a gift in the third. You can use that option. Once that is done, under this section, you can add a digital note for that particular person, and you can provide your name. After that, you need to provide the recipient details, the recipient name, their first name, their last name. After that, their phone number and their scheduled delivery. After that, tap on Save Changes. And once that is done, they will prepare your order, and you can go ahead and tap on this Got It, and they will let you know when they have sent them a gift. So this is the method you can apply up in order to send a delivery as a gift using the Doordash application. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.